Genetically, I just have really bad teeth. My mom has really bad teeth. She's had gum resection and just every kind of tooth problem. And so growing up watching her, I never really thought that would be me, and it just slowly became me with more and more surgeries. I've had root canals, crowns, like extractions, everything under the sun. I can't even remember all of them. I didn't smile before. So I'm super grateful to get back a piece of my emotions, really, because I can't remember the last time I didn't smile at people. My work is on social media, and I'm just always looking very serious, and I kind of thought that was my personality. Just kind of thought, oh, I'm not being very happy very often, and now I've got that piece of me back, and it's just, I can't stop smiling. And I actually just went on vacation, and for the first time ever in photos, I'm smiling like I want to smile, and I'm just the biggest smile. So I'm excited for the wrinkles, because I'm just going to be smiling up strong to make up for the first like 20 years of my life that I didn't smile. You guys changed my life. And it sounds cliche, but it's so amazing to feel healthy. And teeth are something that I just figured was my luck of the draw. And I was just gonna have bad teeth. But at 30, to have your mouth just deteriorating is heartbreaking. So to come be a part of a life change that I didn't even know I needed, and just trust people to tell me like this is actually, it's so hard to find a doctor that it's not just trying to take you by the ankle and like shake you out for all your coins, but knowing that I need this for health reasons, and just trusting everyone here. It's the only dentist that recommends do it now. Don't wait. I get to enjoy this for longer now, and I'm 33, so I'm already